Get down.
Alright, so today I decided to get in the car and drive to Best Buy because Alienware just came out with a new 6-core laptop, and today we're gonna pick it up, do an unboxing, and kind of see what it looks like. So let's go. A personal cameraman, camerawoman. Alright, so we just picked it up. We're gonna head back home. I'm gonna open this baby up, I'm gonna unbox it, and then let's just see the goods, to see how it performs, and see how it play with games. Just really quick, it's not gonna be a real review, but I'm just super excited to get this thing going, so let's go. Alright, so one thing that drew me with this laptop was the fact that it has a 6-core processor. It has the GeForce GTX 1070 and all that good jazz. So we're gonna open this baby up and see what it looks like. Right. First thing, the power brick. This thing is pretty big, but it's lightweight. All right, so yeah, definitely, this is supposed to be about 7 pounds. It definitely feels like it. Actually weighs as much as my 1DX probably. But I gotta tell you, it is actually pretty thin for an Alienware. They're measuring it about 1 inches, and I would say that's about right. Okay, so we have ports. I see a USB 3.0. On this side, we have a Type-C port, a USB 3.0, a recording input, and a headphone jack input. On the back end, an Ethernet port, a mini display port, HDMI port, a Thunderbolt 3 port. This is a port for an external GPU, and then the power cable. Okay, so let's open this baby up, and yes, okay, so it still has that nice, beautiful, soft touch to it. I would say it has the same type of mouse, and again, there was nothing wrong with the mouse before. I mean, the construction before on all their laptops were amazing. The feeling of the keys are really nice and amazing. We do have 5 programmable macro keys on the left, which is perfect for gaming, or even if you're editing too, because I find macro keys really helpful for when you're editing and you want to, like, say you want to do a Control K in Premiere Pro for cutting, and you know, just other shortcut formats you want to use instead of using keystrokes. It's perfect. Now again, this is more geared towards gamers. And even though I do game, I primarily use a laptop to do productivity work, whether it's video editing or Photoshop. And if that's what you're looking for as a creative person primarily, I will kind of even steer away from this laptop initially, because just the size of this bezel alone, it's huge. I mean, this is pretty big, especially for today's standards, because a lot of people want more screen and less bezel. And the bezel on this is just humongous. But again, I'm sure there's components in here to keep everything cool inside, and again, that's why it's geared for gamers. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I mean, I just wanted to share with you an unboxing, a brief overview of this laptop. But other than that, guys, if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, my friends, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.